The Honorable Sheikh.
Thank you, House Chairperson. The National Freedom Party will support the report tabled here today. Let me start off first of all by congratulating the Democratic Alliance for the quality of municipalities that you govern in the latest report that has been released. Let me also congratulate the ANC on the improved quality of some of your municipalities. Let me also congratulate Idumbe in Idumbe municipality for improved audit outcome. And lastly,
Honorable members.
let me congratulate Honorable Mlochwa and the Okashlamba municipality for maintaining the unqualified audit report. Honorable Slengwa, if I was you, I'd be very worried. And I'm addressing this to you as the chairperson of SCOPA. If you look at the performance of some of the municipalities that you govern, Mzanyati, Kamajuba, Utugela, Ulundi, if you look at the state of governance in those municipalities, I will not be smiling, but I would address those things. I'm not here trying to attack you, but I think in the interest of the people we serve, we need to admit, yes, Honorable Buthelezi, you spent more time at this podium attacking the ANC. You were pointing there, but you couldn't see all these that were pointing back at you. Look at the quality of municipalities. Look at the quality of the municipalities.
Honorable members.
Of order, Honorable House Chairperson.
Honorable Imam, there's a point of order.
Okay.
Please take your seat.
Yeah.
Honorable Sangwa.
Honorable House Chairperson, will the member take a question?
Honorable Imam, are you prepared to take the question?
Won't have enough time.
He is not prepared, Honorable Sangwa.
What I'm giving you here is the facts. I'm not making up anything. Speak to the Auditor General and you'll see exactly what is happening there. So your municipalities and your performance, in fact, if you look at that Mukanigote municipality, the Auditor General cannot find enough data to even audit it. That's how bad the situation is. So your municipalities are performing very poorly. And let's ask ourselves the question, what has really improved about the quality of life in KwaZulu-Natal?
Honorable members, please do not drown the speaker.
I just wanted to point out.
Not drown the speaker.
Just wanted to. Governed by the ANC.
Honorable Imam.
Honorable Minister.
Honorable Sangwa.
Chairperson, I just wanted to correct the speaker on the podium. Umkhanyagut is governed by the ANC, not the IFP.
I did not recognize you, Honorable Sangwa. Please don't do that.
Honorable Minister, I think we have a lot to worry about. Only 38 of the 257 municipalities have received unqualified audit. And 88% of municipalities lack effective compliance controls. Now, the use of external consultants, 84% of municipalities. And one of the main reasons for that is because we do not have the skills and the capacity at the municipalities. Now, that tells us there's a lot of work to be done. And I think that rather than standing and complaining, we should actually do something about it. And that is why, as the NFP, we are asking Honorable Minister biannually to report to the Standing Committee on Appropriations on the financial status of all municipalities, including the cash reserves. We are also asking you, Honorable Minister, to ensure that municipalities are mandated to report on the Treasury website on all tenders and procurements that they've been awarded, with the details of who they were awarded to, the values of those contracts. We believe it will go a long way in eradicating corruption. I've run out of time. The NFP will support the report.
Thank you very much.
Imam.